Good evening and thanks for joining us. I'm Dan Jovic. Firework stands in Texarkana are seeing more people buying in bulk and a lot earlier this year. People at State Line Fireworks say most people wait a couple of days before the holiday before making their purchases, but that's not the case this year. Lots of people are buying fireworks sooner because of the pandemic and a lack of big events around town. Fireworks retailers recognize the national fireworks shortage and say they have tried to keep costs down.
Prices are increased somewhat because of the logistics problems. Freight costs went up dramatically in the last 6 months. However, we've held prices as close as we could to the normal. I think the consumer won't really see a great difference.
Well, another reason people are buying, there is no public fireworks display in Texarkana this holiday weekend.